Alright, what's going on, guys? Just wanted to show you something, and this is a good lesson, and this is why I believe you should, if you're rebuilding a car, this is why I believe that I think that you should drive it for a little while before you actually sell it. I'm missing one of the caliper bolts. See? And I think I know when it fell off. Was driving and I ended up hearing something hit the car, and I thought I might have left a tool or something like that on there, but I didn't. I bet you it was that bolt. So I didn't either I didn't tighten it, or well, that was it. I guess I didn't tighten it all the way. So that's why I think you should probably drive your vehicle for a little while before you sell it. That way they're not driving it and that doesn't happen on them. So what I'm doing right now is I'm going to replace the bearings. So I actually thought that was a bearing, because we didn't replace the bearings in here, we just repacked them. So, and the bearing on the other side, I thought maybe after I repacked it, it would be okay, but it's still a little loose and stuff, so I'm just going to go ahead and replace the bearings. No worries. Easy peasy. But now I got to take the bolt off the 74.5 and put it on that, because I'm getting the tires put on. Oh, and for some reason, I don't know how this happened or what happened, but after I changed the oil, now my oil pressure stays at 50 at idle, and when I am driving, it only goes as high as 25. So it's a never-ending thing with this. So go through all the normal stuff. I got a new oil pump, so we're going to put the new oil pump in there. Got the new sensor, put the new sensor in there. Oh boy. I figured out, you know, even when I was doing this, I was like, you know what, maybe I should just replace the oil pan gasket and replace the oil pump, considering how long it sat and when I had the cross member off. And it's just one of those things you keep telling yourself to do, but you're like, nope. So now we're going to put a new oil pump on there. So I'll get into that. I'll show you what the oil pan looks like after it was sitting for a while, but just really weird. Change the oil, or oil pressure drops. Now the oil pressure doesn't read right anymore. And maybe I'm missing something. It's possible I'm missing something, because I did remove all the pump, so maybe, I don't know. I don't know. But we'll get to it. We'll get all that stuff in there. Once we get all that, get the pump put on there, and if it's still the same way that it is, well, then there's only one choice, and the engine needs to be rebuilt. Because I don't think it's the gauge, because why, you know, I mean, the gauge was working before I changed the oil, and now it's not working because I changed the oil. I don't know. We'll see. But we'll change all that stuff, and we'll see what happens. Alright guys, I just wanted to show you that. Get you a couple notes. Alright, take it easy. Have a good Thanksgiving. Peace.